What's the meaning of active duty? Active duty. Active duty. Active duty. Active duty. Active duty. Active duty refers to the full-time military service of an individual who is currently serving in the armed forces and is available for deployment at any time. Active duty personnel are subject to military law and regulations and are typically paid on a monthly basis. They may be deployed for combat or peacetime missions, as well as domestic operations such as disaster relief efforts. The result of being on active duty is a high level of readiness and commitment to serving one's country, as well as the potential for experiencing unique challenges and opportunities that come with military service.